See?
Someone bring your ball, everyone. Need not write. Keep your slate down. You need not write. We'll play. Okay? Someone bring your ball. Yeah, bounce and catch your ball. Bounce it, put it down on the floor and then catch it when it comes up. Bounce and catch it. Varsha, go bring your ball. Where is your ball? Very good, Keshav. Bounce and catch it, children. Put it down, let it bounce, let it go down and come up. When it comes up, no, you catch the ball. Very good, Hazel. Good, Mamitra. Good morning, Mavisha. Stand up, bounce and catch it, Marudvin. Stand up, bounce and catch the ball. Okay, now throw it to your mom or dad who is near you. உங்க கூட யார் இருக்காங்க அவங்களுக்கு போடுங்க பால். Come on, throw the ball who is near you. Very good. Throw it properly, Mylini. Come on. Varsha, where is your mom? Where is your ball? Vihan, where is your ball? Vihan, the ball in there. Catch. Why, Vihan? So much of holidays already I've got. Huh? Vihan. Vihan, come here.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Kavikartika. Throw it to your parents, children. Throw it to your parents and then again you catch it back. Very good, Hazel. Ananya, Mitra, good. What, Tarunesh, you are exchanging your ball, ah? I said, told you to throw the ball. Ah, you are exchanging it, ah? Throw pannunga mummy ki. Okay. Okay, now next. Okay, parents, you have to hold the ball up. Let them jump and touch the ball. Hold the ball up, parents. Let them jump and touch it. Come on, jump, children. Jump high and touch it. Jump high. Little bit higher, Keshav's mom. Varsha's mom, little bit higher. No, I will not accept this, Varsha's mom. Little bit higher, come on. Yeah, Mahirni's mom and dad. What is this? Come on, Mahirni. Very good, Ananya. Try.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. Radyani. Come on, Hazel, try. Touch the ball, Hazel. Jump and touch the ball. Very good, Vihan. Too high, Vihan. Taruneshwar. Jump and touch it. You should not hold your mom's hand. Jump and touch the ball. Varsha, see, she's climbing up on a table and she's going to touch it. Good, Kavi Kartika. Visha. Come on, Visha, jump, ma. Jump. Nalla kaiye தூக்கி jump பண்ணுங்க. Without lifting up your hands, if you jump, you can't touch the ball. Who all got the ball? Come on. யாரெல்லாம் ball வாங்கிட்டீங்க மம்மி கிட்ட இருந்து? Yes, Taruneshwar got the ball. Hazel also got the ball. Then Mitra, very good. Next. Ananya Vano. Very good. Ananya also got the ball. Varsha got the ball. Mahini, very good. Then who else? Radyani also got the ball. Visha got it. Very good, children. Very good. Now keep the ball back. We'll start the session. Come on, join your hands and close your eyes. Very good, Makeshav. Now keep the ball down. Now we are happy. Now you're all happy. Keep the ball down. Let's start our session. Come on.
Me.
Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Who will say Kids Anthem? Varsha. Varsha will say, okay? Come on, join your hands and close your eyes. Ready, Varsha?
To me.
Yeah, Kids Anthem.
Sunshine night. Beautify me. My button the sun. You are the wind.
Beneath my
Beneath
sight.
the light.
Hmm.
Beautify me. My button the sun.
Today
You
I
are the Today I pray in the all my might. I shall receive you, my body in the side.
Very good. Well done. Thank you, Varsha. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
everyone. Very good morning. Okay, ready for the warm-up activity, all of you? Yes. Are you all ready for the warm-up activity? Yeah, good morning, Ananya. Very good morning to everyone. Come on, stand up. Don't sit down. Stand up.
Yes, ma'am. Ding, ding. Crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Break it.
Run, 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 all of you. Run, 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 all of you. Yes, very good, everyone. All of you can go drink water and come back. Dashwan.
இல்ல மேம்.
Dashwan is absent. Why ma Kavi Kartika?
இல்ல, அவங்கலாம் ஊருக்கு போயிருக்காங்க.
ஊருக்கு போயிருக்காங்களா? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் Hazel. Very good Hazel. Jason. Jason absent. Okay. Keshav. Keshav. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good Keshav. Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good Radhyani. Rudven.
I am.
Very good Rudven. Sara. Sara. Sara is also absent. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Absent. Many absentees today. Visha.
Here I am.
Very good Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good Kavi Kartika. Mahirini.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good Mahirini. Mitra. Very good Mitra. Taraneshwar.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good Taraneshwar. Varsha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Very good Vihan. Why did you take so much of leave, Vihan? Madhuvanti, absent.
No, ma'am. Yesterday and Tuesday and Wednesday there was a planned leave. Sorry, we didn't message you over there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, children. Next is rhymes. Who is going to sing family rhymes? Let me ask. Whom shall I ask? Ananya. Come on, Ananya. Family rhyme.
Mommy, daddy, I love you. Love you. Care for it too. Bada sister, let's play. Sing and dance, laugh and once, all through the day. Mama, Grandpa, you're so sweet. You're so cute when we meet.
Well done. Very good. Next is the vegetable rhymes. Vegetable rhymes, Mahirini. Mahirini.
Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some for the garden, some for the feet. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Put them in salad. They're healthy to eat.
Very good. They are healthy to eat. Very good. Now all of you stand up. Let me road count 1 to 50. You are going to jump. Clap and jump. You have to clap as well as you have to jump. Okay? Clap பண்ணிக்கிட்டே jump பண்ணணும். Okay, ready? Steady. Come on, stand up, Kavi Kartika. All of you should stand. Ready? Steady. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap your hands, children. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very good. Now all of you sit down. Very good. We have finished road counting. And next is the days of the week. Who will tell me days of the week? Who is going to tell me?
Day for the week.
Yeah,
Sunday
Radhi.
for the week. Tuesday, for Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Saturday. Very good. Next is the months of the year. What are all the months of the year? Close your fingers. Close your fingers. All of you.
January,
Months of the year.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
December. Very good. There are 12 months in a year, and they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good, all of you. Now, all of you come on, take your rough notebook. Today we are going to draw. Okay, take your rough notebook. Take your rough notebook, all of you. And be ready with a pink color. Pink color crayon, okay? Rough notebook. Don't use your English notebook or math notebook. Use your rough notebook, okay? Okay. And today we are going to draw a bird using a number. Let me show you. Is ready? First, take a fresh page. Write today's date. What is today's date? Anyone knows? யாருக்கு தெரியும் today's date? Yesterday was 1. Today is? Yeah, 2. That's 9 month of September. Okay? 2/1/21. This is today's date. Come on, write, all of you, write the date. Write the date in the date corner. Your date corner will always be to your left, children. Left side la dhan date எழுதணும், okay? After writing your date, I want you to write a big 2. பெரிய 2 ஒன்று எழுதணும். பெரிய 2 எழுதுங்க, whole page cover பண்ற மாதிரி. Big 2. நல்ல பெரிய 2 எழுதுங்க. Because using this 2 only we are going to draw. And then a semicircle. We have a sleeping line here, no? Over that you draw a semicircle. This is the neck part, children. So this should be bigger. That is lengthier, okay? And then connect it like this. And then draw the beak and the eyes. And next draw a long leg. And here a curve. After finishing drawing it, you can color the bird. You yourself draw, children, however it looks, even if it looks beautiful, however it looks. Draw it yourself and color it yourself. எப்படி வரைஞ்சாலும் it will look beautiful for ma'am. Come on. Yes. After drawing and coloring it, I want all of you to take a pic of it and send it to me, okay? Let's start coloring. Whatever color you can give, pink color or yellow color, whatever color you want, you can give. Finished drawing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Start coloring. Color inside the boundary. It depends upon your creativity, what color you choose, okay? உங்களுக்கு என்ன கலர் பிடிக்குமோ you can color, children. Whatever color you like, you can color. Finished, Vihan? Who finished? Let me see. Brown color for what? Bird, ah. For the bird, you are coloring brown. Very nice, Varsha. Good, very good. Write your name. Children, write your name on top of it, everyone. Write your name. Yeah, very good, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Very humble, Varsha. Come on, write your name on top of it. Take a snap and send it in group. I want to see how you have drawn and colored. Visha, finish. Very good, Visha. Write your name on top, Visha.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, finished.
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Makesha. Very beautiful. Your bird looks very beautiful. Children, all of you write your name on top. Okay? Don't forget to write your name. You yourself write, children. If you know how to write in small letters, you can write, or else write in capital letters. Very nice, Parameshwar. It looks like a flamingo. Very nice. Okay, once you finish, we'll do another coloring worksheet. Do you want coloring worksheet? Yes or no? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will. Finish. Let everyone finish.
Yes, ma'am. Finish the mark.
Finished. Very good. What with many curves? This one, it looks different. Very good.
Thank you.
Nice. Okay, now all of you take worksheet number D50. Empty. You will have full of circle and semicircles here. D50 empty. This worksheet. D50 empty. You will have a orange piece here, and then a wheel, a dish, and then umbrella, a table, semicircle table. Okay, now what you are going to do is, you are going to color the semicircles green. Take the green color and color only the semicircle. எதெல்லாம் இங்க semicircle? Which are all semicircle? First color only the semicircle. See here, 1, 2, 3. You have 3 semicircles here. Here you have one umbrella and then a table, semicircle table. Color it with green color. After finishing it, color the circles with red color. First color the semicircle. Vihan, which is semicircle, Vihan? Which is semicircle?
Consider semicircle. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, which is circle, Ma,
Which is
Vihan?
circle? Which is circle?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Now start coloring green color, children. First finish coloring the semicircle.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D50 empty. Everyone is having the sheet, right? Ananya, look at your book and color. Where are you looking?
பாரு இந்த லைன்ல இங்க இப்படி அல்ல அப்பதான் வெளியே போவாது அது மாரி
Is it finished? Semicircle, your color is red color. Finished?
Ma'am, she wants to color circle first.
He wants to color circle first. Okay, fine. But be careful, children. Don't color it wrongly. First, color the semicircle, or else circle also color it correctly. Don't confuse yourself.
எது செமி சர்க்கிள் இது சர்க்கிளா செமி சர்க்கிளா
What, Ananya? Climate is gloomy and you all look very, what to say, very lazy today. Why is that, children?
Ma'am, cycle red color, ma'am. Cycle wheel red color.
Circle, everything is red color.
Okay.
Semicircles, green color.
Semicircle green color. Circle red color.
நெக்ஸ்ட் செமி சர்க்கிள் இது அடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பவுண்டரி அடி பவுண்டரி எப்படி அடிக்கணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இப்படி அடிக்கணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன்ல பவுண்டரி அடிச்சானா தான் உங்களுக்கு வெளியெல்லாம் வராது அடி
Very good. Radyani, Hazel. Mitra. Good. Very nice, Varsha. Finished your semicircles? Super. Children, keep your book properly on the table or on the bed or on the floor, wherever you are sitting. Don't keep it on your lap and write or draw. Whatever you are doing, keep it on the floor, table, or whatever it is. Don't keep it on your lap. Okay?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Mitra, super. Very good. Okay, those are finished. I want you to bring any one milk product in your home. We learned milk product yesterday. Do you all remember? Milk, curd, cheese, butter, paneer. So whatever milk products you have, I want you to bring. Those are finished. You can go and bring. Search and bring by yourself, children. Mostly it will be in your fridge only. Check whether you have milk, curd, paneer, butter. Okay, and next is cheese, whatever you have.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Hazel. Come on, go search in your fridge whatever milk products you have. You go and search.
Finished,
Yes, you yourself go and search, children. Search in your fridge, come on. Those are finished. Come on, fetch all your milk products, whatever you have in your home. It can be a milk packet, it can be curd, it can be paneer, it can be butter, cheese, whatever you have.
butter. Butter.
Yes, first Hazel brought it up. What did you bring, Hazel?
Is it? What is it?
Butter.
Butter. You brought butter. Very good. Butter is a milk product. Butter. Very good. That's what you have. You don't have milk packet and all. Don't have milk. You don't have curd. அதெல்லாம் இல்லையா? Milk இல்லையா? Curd இல்லையா? Ghee.
Milk.
Ghee also.
Milk. Cold milk. Ma cold milk.
Huh?
Cold milk.
Orange milk இருக்கா?
Cold milk.
பன்னீர் இருக்கா? Come on, go and bring.
இல்ல பன்னீர் இல்ல garlic.
Milk packet you have. Okay, milk packet you have.
Milk.
இருக்கா இல்லையா? Come on, bring the milk packet.
நான் பிடிச்சுக்கிறேன்
Yes, next is Varsha. Varsha is ready. Wow, very good. Glass of milk. Super. Very good. Milk packet. You should say, Ma Varsha, what is that?
Say, what is it?
Milk.
Milk. Okay,
Butter
next.
man. Butter man.
Butter. Very good. Milk and butter. Super. Okay, next is ready. Taruneshwar. Come on, Taruneshwar. What is that? No, come on. Milk. What is it? Milk. Okay, next what do you have? Where in there? It's very cool. Children, when you touch that milk packet, how does it feel? எப்படி சூடா இருக்கா சில்லுன்னு இருக்கா? Is it hot or cold? How is it hot or cold? How it is? Cold. சில்லுன்னு இருக்கா? Very good. Okay, next is Mitra. Thank you, Matarneshwar. Mitra.
Butter, ma'am.
Yes, what did you bring? What is it?
Butter.
Butter. Very good. Milk product. Very good. Okay. Next is Mahilini.
இப்ப சொல்லு. ஆமா,
Yes, Mahilini. What are the milk products you brought?
Milk and butter.
பட்டர் கீ.
Hmm.
Ghee.
Come on, you should say. Then only I'll know. Otherwise, I will not know. What did you bring?
லவுடர். கேக்கல பத்தி சொல்லுது நமக்கு.
தொட கூட முடியலையா?
சொல்லு.
Okay, ghee and milk. Very good, Mahilini. Good, very good. Okay, next, who else? Let me see who is ready. Keshav. Come on, Keshav.
Butter.
Ah,
And cheese.
ghee. Okay, good.
And milk.
Milk. Very good. Milk, ghee, butter. Very good. Well done, Keshav. Okay, next is Visha. Visha.
என்னது பாப்பா இது சொல்லு.
Butter.
Butter. Okay. Only butter you have?
Yes.
That's it? Okay, very good. Butter. Okay, well done. Next, Radhyani. Radhyani.
சொல்லு, அது என்ன சொல்லு?
Ghee.
Ghee. Okay, very good. Next,
சொல்லு.
Thanks, ma'am.
that's it. Okay, very good. Next, who else? Varsha finish. Kavi Kartika, did you bring any milk product? What did you bring? Milk packet. Very good. Well done. Very good. Well done. Very good. Super. Okay. Parents, yeah, get the products from their hands and place it
Ma'am,
where
Vihan, ma'am.
Vihan, what ma?
Vihan, what you have brought? What you have brought? Ah,
What?
ah.
Milk packet.
Milk packet. You brought milk packet. Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay. Next, come on. Can we do our worksheet? Our next worksheet. Come on. D47 CT. D47 CT. This will be your page. Why, Ananya, you didn't bring any milk product, Ananya? Ananya, edum kondu varliya? Why? I didn't ask her. Ananya.
She's just slow on coloring, ma'am. She's still coloring and she didn't complete it today.
It's okay. Give her any milk product now. You go and bring.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Ananya, don't cry. Go search in the fridge and bring. I'll wait for you. Come on. Don't cry. Why you people cry? I don't know. Come on, search in the fridge. Enna milk product irukku paathu edutittu vaanga. Come on. Did you all take this page, children? D47 CT. It will be your homework page. Okay? We'll do it now. Here, what you are going to do is you are going to circle all the healthy food. What are all the healthy food here? Edala healthy food circle pannunga. Let me see. If you circle chocolate, I'm going to pinch your nose, children. No one should circle chocolate and all, okay? You know what is healthy food, right? What are all the healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, rice, and then milk products, juices, all these are healthy food, okay? Come on, search for healthy food and circle it. What are all the healthy food here? Vegetables, fruit, milk products. So these three items are healthy food. Others you should not circle. Should not circle chocolate. Should not circle ice cream. Should not circle this chips. And you should not circle this cornflakes also. Okay? They are not good for your health. They are unhealthy. Yes, you brought it, Ananya. What did you bring? Any milk product? What milk product you brought?
பேசுனிரமா பண்ணக்கூடாது இல்ல
Milk.
என்ன milk product?
You brought milk packet.
அது என்னதுன்னு சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட. ஏய். எடுத்துக்கோ. Curd.
Third packet. Very good. Touch it. How does it feel, Mananya? Totta eppadi irukku? It is very hot or very cold? Hot or cold?
Hot or cold அது?
Cold.
Hot na சூடா இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். Cold na சில்லுன்னு இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். How is it?
எப்படி இருக்கு?
எப்படி இருக்கு? சூடா இருக்கா சில்லுன்னு இருக்கா?
சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. சூடா இருந்தா சரி. ஏய்.
She's playing. She already showed me it is very chill. Okay, very good. Come on, place it back. Do your worksheet. Circle all the healthy food, children.
Finish the
Worksheet number ma'am.
Yes.
like
Very good. Only 3 products which is healthy. Vegetables, fruits and milk products. Only these you have to circle. Other things you should not circle. Okay. Next is take math worksheet number 34, children. B47 empty number 34. That's it. Over worksheet today. Finish that. 3, 4, 34. D47 empty. 3, 4, 34. Ten, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 3, 4, 34. Come on, spell and write 3, 4, 34. Why, Mama Hirni? You don't have space there. Why do you sit there and write? Keep it on the table or keep it on the floor. Or else your handwriting will become worse, children. Come on. Three, 4, 34. Three, 4, 34. Parents, tomorrow will be doing a clay activity, so please be ready with the clay, or if you have an atta dough also, no problem. What number you are writing, Ananya?
3434.
Very good. Very good, Varsha. Varsha, finish. Varsha, I want you to read the tens counting numbers, Varsha. 1 minute, let me share. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, tens counting, Varsha. Come on, read the numbers. 1, 0, 10.
1 0 10.
1 0 10.
Louder.
2, 0,
1 0 10.
2, 0, 20.
2 0 20.
3, 0, 30.
3 0 30.
4, 0, 40.
4 0 40.
Next.
5 0 50.
Super. Next.
0
6, 0, 60. Very good. Next.
7 0 17.
Good.
1
This one. 8 0.
8 0 80.
Next.
9 0 90.
Hmm.
1 0 10.
1
1,
0.
0, 0.
0
100. Very good. Well done. Next, Hazel.
எனக்கு ரொம்ப
Hazel, thank you, ma'am. Come on, read the number.
10 20 40 30.
Wait. 1, 0, 10.
1 0 10. 2 0 10.
20.
20.
0, 20.
2 0
Next.
3, 0.
3 0 30.
Good. Very good. 4, 0.
4 0
40.
40.
5, 0.
5 0
50.
50.
50. Okay. 6, 0.
60. 60.
60.
7, 0, 70.
70.
8, 0, 80.
80.
Say 80. 80.
Okay, fine. 9, 0, 90.
90.
90. 90.
9 0 90.
1, 0, 0.
100. 0.
నా క్లాస్ ముచ్చే తీసుకు
Sorry. 100.
0. 100. Very good. Okay, next is Visha. Visha.
1 0 10. 2 0 20. 3 0 20. 30. 4 0 40. 40. 5 0 40.
50.
60 60. 70. 70. 80 80. 90 90.
1, 0, 0.
1 0 0 and that.
Very good. Well done. Good girl, Visha. Next is Keshav.
1 0 10. 2 0 20. 3 0 30. 4 0 40. 5 0 50. 6 0 60. 7 0 70. 8 0 80. 9 0 90. 1 0
Next is Mitra. Mitra.
2 0 10.
1 0 10.
1 0 10. 2 0 20. 3 0 30. 4 0 40. 5 0 50. 6 0 60. 7 0 70. 8 0 80. 9 0 90. 1 0 0 100.
Well done, ma Mitra. Very good. Next is Bihan.
சொல்லு
Bihan.
சொல்லு ஆமா நீயே சொல்லு நான்
1
சொல்லி தர
0 10. நான் சொல்லி தரேன்.
மேம் சொல்லி தராங்க
மேம் சொல்லி தரவாங்க.
Ma'am, scold him, ma'am. மேம் சொல்லி தராங்க 1 0 10
0 10. Bihan.
மேம் பாரு
Come on, Bihan. 1 0 10.
மேம் அங்க பாருமா
Okay, Bihan. You need to see ma'am, but listen to ma'am. 1 0 10.
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு
1 0
Ah.
2 0 20
2 0 20. 3 0 30.
10.
அப்புறம்
4 0 40. 5 0 50. 6 0 60.
6 0 60.
7 0 70.
7 0 70.
8 0 80.
9 0 90.
9 0 90. 1 0
1 0 0 100
Very busily playing with your brother. Ah, okay, fine. Okay, next is Mahini. Mahini.
மகிழினி சொல்லிட்டு எழுது அப்புறம் எழுது மகிழினி சொல்லிட்டு எழுது மகிழினி
Afterwards, no problem. Finish your worksheet. No problem. Next is Radhyani. Radhyani.
1 0
మ్యామ్ పర్సన్
1 0 10. 2 0 20.
20. Ah.
3 0 20. 4 0 40.
Super ma Radhyani.
5 0 40.
50.
6 0 60. 7 0 70. 8 0 80. 9 0 90. 100.
1 0 0 100. Very good, Maradhyani. Thank you so much. Next is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
என்ன நம்பர் இது சொல்லு
Taruneshwar, have you finished your worksheet? 2 0 20. 3 0 30. 4 0 40. 5 0 50. 50. 6 0 60. 60.
60
7 0 70. 8 0 80. 9 0 90. 1 0 0 100. Very good. Marini has finished now.
चल 1 0 10 में चल 1 2 3 4 चल ना 1 0 10
1 0 10.
2
Mahini will finish. Ananya, wait ma. 2 0 20.
2 0 20.
Louder ma Mahini. 3 0 30.
3
Next.
040. 50. கரெக்டா சொல்லு மக்களே.
50.
அப்புறம்
60. Okay. 60. 60.
சொல்லு.
70. 80. 90. 90. 90. 100. 100. Next, Ananya. Thank you, Mama Elni. Ananya. 10. 20. 20. 30. 40. 50. 50. 60. 70. 19 இல்ல 90. 90. T. 100. 100. Okay, fine. Kavi Kartika.
10. 10.
20.
30.
40.
50. 70.
60.
17.
17 இல்ல 70. 80.
18. 19.
90.
100.
100. Very good. Is there anyone whom I left? Rudvin.
பாருங்க சொல்லு சொல்லு நீ
10.
10
20.
20
30.
3 0 30 4 0
40. 50. 50.
50
60. 60. 70.
7 0 70 சத்தமா சொல்லு 70
80. 90.
0 90
100. 100.
0 100
Very good. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Everyone, now you have learned the tens counting. Thank you so much for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Be ready with the clay tomorrow. Clay or atada, whatever you have, be ready with that. Okay. Tomorrow morning we'll do the activity. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone.